Today, we're taking our experience in Kuala Lumpur to the next level because I'm joining a Malaysian cooking class.
When you're passionate, your heart is full, the food will come out very nice.
We're going hands-on in the kitchen to learn how to make 3 traditional dishes from local favorites packed with spice.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be spicy. I'm ready for this.
To desserts that almost look too good to eat. The goal is to understand Malaysia through its flavors
LaZat, right?
and test how good my cooking skills actually are.
Nick, are you ready?
I am very, very ready.
All right, so cooking class time for some traditional Malaysian food.
I'm not sure what are you going to cook.
Oh, okay.
I don't have the program.
Are you cooking too?
No, I just watch you.
Hello, how are you?
meet you. Yes.
I'm Mac.
Good.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. My name's Vanessa.
What are we going to be cooking today? Like something Malaysian, or what do you have in mind, Vanessa?
Like Chinese food and also Malaysian food as well.
Oh, sweet. All right, that sounds great.
So we're gonna make.
Make sure you cook well. I'm going to taste your food.
You know, I'm a chef. After today, not yet. Before today, no, but after today, hopefully. Selamat pagi.
Morning.
Hello, how are you? Good morning, good morning. So we're going to be doing some good cooking today?
Yes.
All right, fantastic.
Orang Malaysia.
Yeah, thank you.
We are very
Terima
honored,
kasih.
really, Mac, to have you.
Thank
I'm
you so
Anna,
much.
by the way.
I'm Mac.
the founder and owner of LaZat.
It's a
And
pleasure to
this is
meet you.
Irene.
Hello, hello. How are
Ramla
you?
is her first day, so she's
First
learning
day?
from us.
Perfect, my first day too. So. Yeah.
Mac,
Thank you.
I followed your stories.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you've been
We-
to Pakistan,
Oh yeah.
places that nobody wants to go. So now because of you, I want to go Iran.
Oh, Iran is nice. Yeah. Oh, fantastic. Let's do it. Oh, we got a nice set right up here.
Come and
Thank you
see
so
it.
much.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta put this thing on.
Yes.
Oh,
of course,
let's-
we take picture lah before we start sweating.
Yeah.
Right. So we
3
will have
Malaysian dishes.
3.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So there's a mix of those ingredients in one as well. So we'll talk about it later when we
Oh.
are doing the cooking.
Yep.
So we have char kway teow.
Mm-hmm.
Did you bring him for char kway teow yet?
Oh, yes.
Not yet, huh?
Yes.
Oh, you did.
We did.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Well, this time it's gonna be better, right?
The wok hair. So Irene is the expert in the wok hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So the rendang, I will do the rendang. I wouldn't call myself expert.
Oh, definitely you are.
You can say I'm expert, but I won't say myself expert. So I do the rendang.
All right.
And we will talk about the story a bit behind it. And
That sounds awesome.
yeah. And the last one is onde.
Onde.
Dessert. And again, we will share with you the stories about Malaysian a bit, the culture, the food. We eat a lot of sweet
Perfect.
and that kind of thing.
All right.
So if
I'm
you
ready
want-
for this.
Do you cook a lot, Mike?
Never.
You don't?
Nope.
Because you're busy traveling.
Because I'm traveling, yeah.
Yeah.
So typically I go out and I try different foods. So that's why today I'm gonna need a special lesson to be able to cook properly.
We hope and we would like to think that we are the expert, you know?
No need to think.
LaZat-
You are
LaZat-
certified.
No.
Yeah.
The word itself.
Thank you. LaZat.
This is
LaZat.
Malaysia word, but it is literally translated is delicious, sumptuous.
Oh, so it means LaZat. So if I taste something, I can say LaZat?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Terima kasih, LaZat.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
yeah.
He knows
I'm
how
partially
to-
Malaysian after this, you know?
You know how to make Malaysian love you.
Oh, thank you.
Because you already learned the very important words.
Well, when you have a teacher like Paul, then it makes it easy.
This is the beauty about Malaysia.
Yeah.
Because of the diversity, different ethnic. We got 3 at least languages, right?
Yeah.
Malay, Chinese, Indian, and we speak broken English. I speak
Oh,
broken English.
perfect English.
We call it Manglish, Malaysian
Manglish,
English.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
that's what we call Malaysian. So when Paul said about drinking alcohol,
Yeah.
even though Malaysia is majority Muslim,
Yeah.
thanks to Chinese and the Indians,
Yeah.
one naughty Malay can drink a bit of beer.
That's great. Well, I guess I came to the right place.
Nick, are you ready?
I am very, very ready.
Okay. So your first cooking experience in Malaysia.
First cooking experience in Malaysia.
So the first dish you're going to do is called char kway teow.
Char kway teow.
So we're going to start prepping for the fry before frying. So let's do the seasoning first. You take the water, teaspoon of pepper, some salt, oyster sauce which goes in. Then we have our light soy, it's a caramel.
LaZat,
Right? So this will be your seasoning for your noodle. Next, we are going to dice our garlic. So once you've done your garlic, please put it back into your tray. Then we have our fish cake. This is our fish cake. Just slice it. So again, claw method.
Alright, claw method this into the plate. Alright.
Then we come to our egg. So we are going to break our egg with one hand. Can you do that?
Let's see if I can.
Okay. Yes, well done.
Almost.
So this is for you to write your hands.
We got a little bit in there.
Okay, like that. You should be resting on your fourth finger. You have the thumb and the third finger on one side and your index on top. Okay.
that's the
So what
trick.
you do is you give it a small crack. So you use your thumb and your third finger to pull them apart.
There we go.
Okay. So that's how you break your egg. So when you get back home, maybe when you're doing scrambled eggs, you can practice. And then we have chives. These are chives, Chinese chives.
Okay.
So all you have to do is cut them into half. And then this goes into back into our plate again. After it's done, you can have it as a snack. It can be eaten as a snack, as a tea time, as a lunch, as a dinner. As you know, Malaysians love to eat. We eat about 5-6 meals a day.
That is
You
a
can-
full day of eating.
Yes, so that's why whenever you meet a local or Malaysian, the first thing we say to you is not how are you, is
Ni
have you-
shulema.
Ni chulama, or have you eaten? Yes.
Wow.
So I'm going to show you how to get our char kway teow going. So your stove here is similar to mine. Yeah.
Alright.
Just follow this sequence and we are good to go. So garlic goes in first.
Yeah. And this one's called fish bread?
Fish cake.
Fish cake. Alright, so the fish cake's going in now. And we're making good progress through here. The aroma is fantastic. And oh yeah, that's gonna be spicy. I'm ready for this. Alright, next up is the noodles. Good. Oh, get our sauce in there. Oh yeah. Oh baby, this is gonna be delish. And next up we have the egg. We're gonna put the egg under.
Yeah.
Just like that. We're gonna give that a couple seconds here to cook. You don't want to stir it right away, otherwise it'll just get stuck to everything and you won't have those pieces of egg. So we're gonna scramble it in just a moment. You can see that. Ooh. This is what we came to Malaysia for. 2 ingredients left to go in. And here we go. Voila. Oh,
Very nice.
incredible. So we made it. Now we have to find out how delicious it's gonna be. All right, so the moment we've all been waiting for. 2 things I've been trying to figure out. Did I make it too spicy for my own liking? I'm hoping that I'm gonna be sweating. I'm gonna be like, oh my God, my mouth is hot. That is the full spice experience I'm going for. And did I cook this properly? Did I overcook anything? We're gonna find out, but I can tell you, ooh, it smells absolutely delicious. Shall we dig in? Let's eat. Oh yeah. So the Malaysian way is when the shrimp tail is on there, you grab that thing. Been a while since I used chopsticks, so okay, there we go. And we're gonna actually take the tail off after we swish it around in the mouth. That is so good. I'm quite proud to say that this might be the best meal that I've had in Malaysia now, and I actually cooked it. And we finished every last bit. That was so freaking good. So we're gonna take a look right over here and see. We've got some of these fresh items being grown right here. Ginger plant right there? No? Oh, we've got a little garden back here.
Anti-mosquito.
Oh, so that's anti-mosquito?
Yeah, anti-mosquito.
And they just grow here, you don't eat those, right?
Yeah, you don't need it.
Well, what do we have over here? Some sort of wild looking flower?
This is wild ginger.
Which one's ginger?
Yeah, this is wild ginger.
This is all ginger right here.
Yeah, well, they don't grow it in not ginger as what we normally cook, the small one. This is the big one, the wild ginger.
Oh, okay. And they cook with this?
Afterward you use it.
Okay. So we got a little garden tour right there from Paul. It's cool the amount of different plants they use for both health reasons as well as cooking. And now it's almost time to cook our next.
Yeah, rendang.
Yeah, runda.
Okay.
All right, it's time. So, what are we thinking here? This one's going to be harder or easier than the last one?
It's a little bit more complex.
More complex, all right?
Yeah, and rendang usually are eaten during special occasion.
Special occasions, okay.
Yes, because it just takes a long time. Normally, it's meant to be a stew, and it's meant to be beef with beef.
Yeah.
But in our class, we only do with chicken.
Only with chicken,
Chicken
okay.
is faster.
Yep.
We have the ingredients here. So this is galanga, this is ginger, turmeric. They go well together.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's start.
All right.
What I'm going to do is just to chop this. So at the end here, if there's roots there, you just remove the roots. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That's
Professional.
good. Yes. So you leave that first. We're going to
Okay.
cut the rest, yeah? And if you want more of this, you can. I can have to chop for you.
Oh, yes, please.
2, okay?
We'll go 3.
Oh my god. Mac, you sure? I can do for you, no problem.
I think I can handle it. If not, it'll be great for the video. All right, we've got another. After adding 3 chilies in there, we've got a tablespoon more that we're gonna add in. So this is gonna be extremely spicy, or maybe not. We'll see if I can handle this one.
The
Ooh,
normal chicken we use for rendang, we call them retired chicken. You know what is
Retired
retired
chicken.
chicken? Do you know what is ayam pencet?
that smells so
Do you
good.
know what they are? The old chicken. Because you need to cook rendang for a long time to make sure the flavor.
That's why you use retired chicken.
Yes,
It's not become overcooked.
exactly. See, I'm not making noise, man.
I
Yeah?
can't say it'll be the same for me.
So you don't do this, huh?
I might. All right, so we're gonna see if we can do this whole process based on memory from everything we just learned. So step number 1, we're gonna get this thing fired up. Oh yeah.
So be gentle. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid of the oil, all right?
Okay, good.
You're right, I'm not afraid of that oil and it didn't attack me this time. So we're ready for the chicken here. We're gonna grab this and get that going. Time for the coconut milk. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna let that absorb just like that.
We're gonna ask you to go over
All right.
to do the dessert.
Oh, dessert time.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so let's get that going. All right, here we go. So this one, I'll know it's good when it feels like Play-Doh.
Yeah. Oh, you have plenty to eat today. Eileen has finally cooked another famous laksa.
Oh, that's gonna be so delicious.
No.
I don't think so, no. How's that?
Very good.
More
I think
flour
this
or?
is- No, I think this is mine. Fine.
Yeah?
Very
Okay.
good. Very good.
Perfect.
Do like this.
Now let's turn this brown. Oh, that aroma is changing now. Oh, yes. Maybe sprinkle a little bit of that sauce on top of there.
Yeah, must have the sauce.
Wonderful presentation. Make me hungry, huh?
Yeah, I know, right? So this is my first time ever cooking rendang ayam, which is like a chicken curry specifically from Malaysia here. It is so good, and I loaded it up with a ton of spice because I love spice, and you can taste it. It just leaves that after burn in your mouth. You don't have to make it spicy. You can make it more sour, more salty, however you like your curry. And I made mine just how I like it, where my mouth burns for the few seconds after I take a bite. The true test right now is what
This is
Anna
Max
thinks.
Rendang. Let me try.
We need an honest truth. If it's the worst one you've had from all your guests, you gotta tell me. But if it's the best, you also gotta tell me.
Okay, sure. I'll be very honest.
And it just depends on how much Anna likes spicy.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I can taste all the different layer of the herbs.
Oh, all right, that's great.
That's very good, Mac. Really? Yes,
Honestly.
and the spiciness came later, slowly.
Oh yeah, it creeps in. The spiciness,
You can live in Malaysia now.
Let's go. I passed the test.
You can cook in the village as well.
I guess the question is, would you call it LaZat La or LaZat La?
LaZat La.
Oh, that is it right there. Incredible reactions here. Well,
Oh my
maybe they're
God.
just being nice, or maybe it is that good.
No, it is.
It is? All right. Well, that's
It
all
is.
thanks to your amazing instruction on how to make this, because, wow, I'm impressed. Never in my life did I have any confidence that I could cook, because I just simply never practiced it. But spending half the day here has completely changed my perspective on it. So thank you for that.
Excellent. So now I'm changing my recipe already. Become Mac rendang. Sedap, Arin.
This one,
Yeah.
Very different.
Ah.
The cake come 1 minute later.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's not spicy.
Mac.
It creeps up on you, right?
It's a bit
Yeah.
sweet to me.
Yeah.
For my liking. But okay.
I
Three
always
chili, I need next time.
Yeah.
Three
three
and
red chili.
3 chili.
and two chili paste.
No, 1 chili paste.
One chili paste, 3 chilies.
Yeah,
Yep.
I think
3 red
we
chili.
must try to do that. You do
All
that
right,
next
I
time.
am honored right now. Apparently, my recipe hit the taste buds the right way.
Nice.
Yeah, fantastic. All right, so this one, remind me, the green
Pandan
is
juice.
pandan juice. Oh yeah. Oh, that fresh coconut smells so delicious. That texture is so good.
Yeah, that was the pandan, and then is your. When you don't have pandan, you have the
Pumpkin.
yes.
So chewy. It's like what is it called? The mochi ice cream.
Mochi. Yeah.
Mochi ice cream. It's got that chewiness, and then on the outside you have that fresh set of shredded coconut flakes.
Fresh shredded.
That is so good.
Mac, you got a bit of present for you.
No way. You guys have done so much for me already. You didn't have to.
Love you, Mac.
Thank you. I love you all too.
So you
No
can apply
way.
job now.
Yeah, exactly. Will you guys hire me? Because that's
Malaysian. Yeah, traditional Malaysian.
Oh, that's awesome with my name on it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Guys, that is proof right there that I have just cooked a very delicious meal. And that is my proof right there that I'm going to be able to hang up when I get back to America.
And the new recipes as well.
And a new recipe.
rendang.
But we're not going to tell you guys the exact ingredients unless you come here.
That's right.
And learn.
That's
That's right. That's how we do
Come
it.
to LaZat Cooking.
Yep, you got to meet my Malaysian mom.
Yeah.
So thank you
So
so much
happy.
for this. That's awesome. I really
and this
appreciate
is also
it.
a small thing for you.
Oh, another thing?
LaZat, yeah, this because when I have overseas friends or what, it's rendang.
Oh my
but it's
gosh.
vegetarian.
Thank you so much, La.
No lah, no problem lah. See, mushroom lah.
Oh, you call mushroom la. That means there's a lot of mushrooms
and
in
this
there.
is the book.
Oh, wow, that's
See,
so cool.
Your name is there.
Oh my gosh,
And
it's custom with
then-
my name
Yeah, and you got a new.
and a new apron.
So when you think about us, huh?
You are so
when
nice,
you-
La.
Oh, and this actually is one of our more to do roti jala.
Oh, that's awesome.
You write to me when you want to have the recipe, okay?
All right. That sounds amazing. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. You guys
Thanks
are
so
amazing.
much.
This was
Yes.
awesome.
Good.
Look at that, guys. Right here, official.
After making 3 amazing Malaysian dishes, I've gotta say, cooking them myself gives me a whole new appreciation because it was not easy. But I'm definitely gonna do it again. And so guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you wanna see more because we're gonna be doing a lot more all around Malaysia.